jealous. I ain't chasing no bitches, I just want more cheddar.
If loving you is wrong, shit, you can just stay for the night. Treat you like the one for the night. I'll put it down on you right. If loving you is wrong, shit, you can just stay for the night. Treat you like the one for the night. I'll put it down on you right. I'ma throw you on your back and switch the game up. I wanna hit it every morning when I wake up. I wanna hit it in the day, I wanna hit it in the night. Have you cooking in the kitchen like you came home? Yeah. Swear I'm not another nigga singing the same song. You will never find another something you can't clone. I know I don't usually say the things you do to me, but you smile so beautifully, yeah. Grab on that booty like damn. This shit so new to me, yeah. You not like them other hoes, no. Just might have to let that shit go. Cause I'm so addicted, yeah. Give me a project chick. Give me a hood rat bitch. One that don't give a fuck. I said one that don't give a fuck.
She don't give a
She took that dick. If loving you is wrong, I'll put it down on you right. If loving you is wrong, treat you like the one for the night. I'll put it down on you right.
Drifting through the wind, wanting to start again. Do you ever feel this so paper thin, like a house of cards, one broken caving in?
The song always managed to come on. Start a stream.
All I ever do is phase. Living life is so amazing. It's so amazing. Can't pay for the flight that we on. Run up that bag and get lost. She wanna hang with a boss. Told her the night that we on. These drugs got me feeling so awesome. She got me feeling so awesome. Put the lean on the blunt and get lost. You can't pay for the flight that we on.
See the clock still ticking, pimpin' still kicking, ain't trippin', ain't shit change, ho. You and me, yeah, you and me, come together, unity. Scream it out, Rick James, flow. So what's goody? Bitch gon' give me head like I'm tryna give her nookie. I just want the bread like I don't have taste for cookie. But she gon' give me cookie cause a nigga love that. She just want a real nigga. She just want a real nigga. Hallelujah, thank you, Lord. Hallelujah, thank you. When I pull up like this here, nigga. Bitch, you better thank the Lord. Bitch gon' have to thank the Lord.
Can't pay for the flight that we on. Run up that bag and get lost. She wanna hang with a boss. Told her the night that we on. These drugs got me feeling so awesome. She got me feeling so awesome. Put the lean on the blunt and get lost. You can't pay for the flight that we on. I can do bad on my own. Run up the trap on my own. Get off the map on my own. I cannot rent it, I own. Hit her, then leave her alone. If you need it, just pick up the phone. Got dreams of living out the States. Hibachi steak on the way. Cartier frames on the way. Them largest states on the way. I'ma cover all the basics. Run around with the Masons. Take her out on occasion. Ooh, the Knicks so amazing. And that money adjacent to me. There's plenty of fish in the sea. But keep that fishing shit from me. With the fishes you can sleep. Life ain't always what it seems. Can't pay for the flight that we on. Run up that bag and get lost. She wanna hang with a boss. Told her the night that we on. These drugs got me feeling so awesome. She got me feeling so awesome. Put the lean on the blunt and get lost. You can't pay for the flight that we on.
Bitch paging you again. That's the bitch.
She say she miss me, say she want me back. JB, I ain't got time for that. She say she miss me, say she want me back. Really? I ain't got time for that. Shit, I'm trying to get some money. Trying to get some money. Damn, that shit funny. I'm just trying to get some money. Trying to get some money. Damn, that shit funny. She say she miss me, say she want me back. That shit sound like a trap. She say she miss me, say she want me back. But really, I ain't got time for that. Shit, I'm trying to get some money. Then get some more. Started with a little, why I need a lot more. Got it for the low flow. Shorty bullshitting, so I do not reply. She just talking shit on some other shit, talking about she miss me, but I ain't hearing it. I don't get into emotions. Bitch, I got too many hoes. I could be coaching, good kush smoking. Just ride, count money, nigga, getting high. I'm just trying to run it up. No Milwaukee, but them bucks can't run it to enough. Like, she say she miss me, say she want me back. I ain't got time for that. She say she miss me, say she want me back. Really? I ain't got time for that. Shit, I'm trying to get some money. Trying to get some money. Damn, that shit funny. I'm just trying to get some money. Trying to get some money. Damn, that shit funny.
I'm just trying to get my money, not go broke. Now you trying to cuddle, I ain't trying to do that no more. I just wanna hit it and split it, I'm trying to stack up. Money coming fast, so nigga, I gotta catch up. I ain't got time to play with these girls, they acting foolish. She talking about come kick it with me, you sounding stupid. I'm trying to stack every dime that I can, cause when it's all said and done, money
I love coming out here seeing something that's confirming my bias. I don't need anything like that, and it's trading a
I
little
can't
dangerous.
chill with you, baby. Gotta build on the streets, make the meal in
But
the
fun, though.
streets, so my niggas can eat. And we ain't got no time for no thotties. Bring a lot of hoes to the party. We fuck them, then we kick them out. We let them see what the dick about. Might let them hit the weed too. But kicking it farther than that, something we don't even do. Then she texts me like,
She said she want me back. I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for that. I'm trying to get some money. I wonder how we do have some new options to look at. Money. Probably wait till pre-market for everything to come on in. My trading view chart. Looks like we're coming on down. Can use that chart. This is the craziest chop ever. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you for coming through. So, if you're watching this video in the future, it's your boy Ricky. I am a golden pocket VWAP trader for the most part. A little bit of market structure, a little bit of LA wave. So what are we doing? Part of me want to say is this is bullish. If and only if we continue to hold this daily, even if we come down here. Could look for a long down. I got in a short up here. Thought I was about to round trip it, but we didn't come back up there. So if this is bearish, well, let me see. See what the VWAPs did when we open. So VWAPs opened up bearish. Honestly, if the bulls want to keep this alive, then we don't need to break down below back down here to previous day GP, because then we're just gonna get something like this. Contact this I think this is a quarterly Q3 VWAP. And our weekly GP just reset in the same place. So if we do start breaking down, the smart line doesn't hold and we start breaking down, potentially weekly GP needs to hold. That's our support for now. And if we lose weekly GP, then you know. Where's monthly at? Hold on. Yeah, losing weekly GP would basically send us back to the lows. So yeah, they can give us something like on the high time frame without looking at it. Oops. So yeah, on the 1 hour. When we start breaking down. Maybe bounce on month of the GP. Or, you know, come down for these lows. So it's yet to be seen. We got a brand new week on the low time frame. I honestly just want to see this just break on up from here. Like, I really don't like this breaking down from here. But it's scary because I don't know if I want to treat this new daily GP as support or resistance yet. So whatever they give us tonight, if we start breaking back down or we can't get back above, what is this? 64.9, 65,000. Then yeah, let's look for 63.9 and down here weekly GP at 63.5. Ideally, I would take a long right here because KCEX, because I'm longer on KCEX. Here. So yeah, I drew this squiggle on Saturday. It's kind of playing out. And I'm still not mad at it, chopping around right here and then shooting up here to Q3 GP. That's the real short. That's the short we want. This is just straight chop, like they taking it from every angle. So what's USDT doing? So I posted this before the daily open. Now looking at USDT, daily GP definitely opened up as support. So if we want longs to cook, USDT needs to lose this daily GP. But that's yet to be seen. Because in my personal opinion, USDT looks a little bit more bullish than Bitcoin. Not a little bit more, but like you see how this is sloping up. USDT could be ready, you know, even if it played around all night. You know, that's early in the morning right there. It comes down making these longs look good.
Until I found out that I could come out and play. Shit, I thought I'd never see the day. Well, she would turn my lust to love and numb the pain.
I'm kind of leaning towards this, so I'm leaning for the shorts on Bitcoin.
When it's real, they gon' hate just like them haters hate. You better off alone. That's that shit that haters say. But
I can't listen. I won't listen. I can't fight it.
secret's out. I fell in love and I can't hide it. You see that
But this is just interesting. Like I said, this is the same chart with spiral line on Bitcoin.
just promise me that when we fight,
We can hold this view out.
my partners taught me hit it, then you run quick.
Shawty made me realize this is something. Yo, what up, man?
She said, don't quit. I really wanna live off of your stomach.
I'm glad to see you popping in the chat. I want to show you something
Old folks be talking shit, they just millennials.
in
How
a second.
could you get to know someone off social media? Well, once I seen her on the gram, I had to add her snap.
And
when
when she snapped me,
you know I
snapped
snapped
her
her back.
back.
Like, shawty, where you from? Hope she ain't out of state.
Shawty's on the map,
but
she's
she
staying out.
She look just like a treat, won't have to play no tricks. Cause usually I'd be out soon as I give the dick. Pop said, hey, listen, son, you need to quit your shit. Little did he know I fell in love when we first met. Could see that smile in the dark outside when we first kissed. And now I feel some type of way if you don't let me.
Yo, look at this real quick. Let me see if I can pull it up. Hold on, let me get my AI up.
Change it up, get back to us just like we never quit. Make this money so we can live like we never
I got so many
did.
screens
I
up.
give you all of me and I won't never quit.
I wanna you run quick.
Shawty made me feel like this is something. I put that dick up in her, she said don't quit. I really wanna live off of your stomach.
So yeah, once USDT come down here a little bit, I think I'm gonna be looking for a short. Bitcoin is sitting in this supply zone. This price action is real menacing. But we came up here and tagged the supply zone real quick in a 5 minute. Let's see. Yeah. Wait for the next 15 to close. I might take this short. Yo, let me know if you're still in the chat. KR. So I built this. I've been working on it. I'm gonna add it to the site when I get it to actually fine tune. But it called a bunch of coins yesterday real quick, especially yesterday morning when the Drake meta started in the trenches. And in a second, this should start loading up here. Well, I guess we'll let it load. And that's over here. It's telling you what devs are dropping the same coins, or you know, dev dumped almost immediately and pumped almost immediately. Dumped almost immediately. Dev pumped it and then dumped it on everyone. So uh-oh, page unresponsive. I think it froze. So yeah, I just told the bot to get it back up and running, so we'll get it back up and running in a second. But yeah, essentially go in there and find good picks before it hits everybody else's timeline on pump. You know, I'll just be doing stuff. Oh, I also added, this has got something to do with like the pump, but you know me, bro. I'm not a real trencher, but I do like to short the coins that are in the trenches. So I'm working on this. These are coins that have basically graduated from the trenches to the future exchanges. So you can trade futures on them and not just, you know, click buy when they're dumping or pumping or whatever. So like Cupsy, see what Cupsy's doing. I can look at the chart, you know. Cupsy looks kind of interesting. You can set an alert down here, you know, get in with some leverage and take it back up to these, you know, highs and whatnot, instead of trying to trade them on pump. So this is beta right now. It's running trades right now, trying to find a good algorithm, but it's not profitable right now. But it's running a bunch of trades, so I gotta fix it to run my regular ecosystem. Trying to. I mean, because essentially I'm trading futures anyway, so it's like all those coins that get listed, you know, they do all that volume. Eventually, we can come over here and find a short form like Cash Cab. It's pumping like crazy. Maybe it comes up here in SFP to high. Just set an alert, and I'll look to short it back down to if it comes back up that high. Hold on, let's see if VWAPs. So yeah, VWAP's bullish. I really should have got in on this, and I had an alert down here set to get in to long it, but it can easily just start rejecting now. Take all this back, come down here to this daily GP, or you know, it pushes on up higher to this supply zone and then flags out. So essentially, we ain't gotta just buy one direction, we can short it. And I got all that embedded in here, so you ain't gotta go looking for coins. We got all the ones that's running. You know, it's feeding on-chain data. It's looking for the whales buying and selling, and it's comparing the difference between the prices in the trenches and the futures market. And if there's a big imbalance, then we can trade it back from one direction to the other. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what it's doing. So yeah, you can switch it to longs only. Look at the watch list. What's coming up? What's doing what? You got your alerts over here for, you know, trades that are happening, coins that are coming up. Velvet, shorted Velvet yesterday. Got a decent short. Damn, should have shorted it up here. I had an alert. But this pump radar thing is probably the hardest thing to get to going because I don't know why. It just won't work with me. That's why I haven't added it to anything yet. But I'm gonna have to do it later because I think that shit's trying to crash my computer. Oh, I didn't look at hype. Now see, hype, what I was saying earlier, hype looks a bit more bullish than Bitcoin for sure. Sorry, I'm closing a bunch of applications. Yeah, I be trading and vibe coding. I'm getting along on hype. If this isn't just about to die. So hype, look at this real quick. We need to hold this weekly GP that we have just opened up with. If that's not the case, then I would like to see it hold this weekly GP since it's trying to bounce on it right now. See if we can find some good trades to get into real quick. I think they're going to take their time tonight. Velvet could be a long if we hold this. Scalp it back up here. My bot just gotten along on Solana. Might try to get a short on this. If you ain't making me money, watch you going crazy. Watch you going crazy. Yeah. I was looking at this cat Bitcoin.
If you say you pulling up, well, bring me some swishers, bro, and a couple cups, cause a nigga
Like, this doesn't look terrible for a long, because I mean, it's either gonna bounce here or flag out.
If I pull up with less, what that mean? That's a lot of dope in a hum.
If it ain't making me money, baby, I don't mind. My trap going crazy.
Seeing as
My trap going crazy.
weekly GP opened up bearish on this as resistance, I would be more inclined for this short right here.
My trap going crazy. My shit going crazy. My trap going crazy. People don't forget the lessons.
My word is so amazing. You're smoking all days.
I swear I never chase it, 'cause I ain't got the patience.
This is Cat.
I think I'm seeing Asian. Got drugs, bring the patience. I mean to keep you waiting. Trap going crazy.
It's been pumping pretty steadily. Or dumping. Dumping. So maybe it does, you know, comes back up one more time. Touch this quarterly VWAP. And then real dump. Or that's it, and it's about to come attack these lows, which is possible. It's a straight dump, pump. Okay. If it ain't making me money, I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. Maybe we'll figure this is morning. So yeah, this could be about to float all the way to the 10 up. Nice little 13% move. Don't put me in a fast car. Ride that bitch like a NASCAR.
I'm on the way, I got what you asked for. Ain't no more trapping out the back door. Don't put me in a fast car. Drive that bitch like a NASCAR. I'm on the way, I got what you asked for. Ain't no more trapping out the back door.
I wonder why Discord chose to get real rectangular with this new update. It's quite annoying.
Play for keeps on 20, I'm flooring. 12, I'm ignoring. Playing hide and seek. Ay, tell me if you see me, I can only see ahead of me. Smoking on their medicine. All my shit is medical. I don't fuck with federal. Fuck the ops, pull the glocks. If this shit get terrible, pop another sedative. I just ate an edible. Someone take my keys, or I could do the dash. Feeling high in that thing. Give me something fast, mutant turtle ninja green. I'll keep it under 80, don't you worry about a thing. Put me in a fast car. Drive that bitch like a NASCAR.
Yeah.
I'm on the way, I got what you asked for. Ain't no more trapping out the back door. Don't put me in a fast car.
I did take a long hit on hype.
Bitch like a NASCAR. I'm on the way, I got what you asked for. Ain't no more trapping out the back door. Don't put me in a fast car.
Everything looks super questionable right now. Man, this shit ain't nothing to this, dog. You can do this.
Been a little while now since
Frog. This on pump, I'm sure. I gave this earlier to my folks in the Discord. If we can hold this level right here, you know, it's gonna go at least back up here to weekly GP. Or they just reject it and come take the low. Start building some support here. But yeah, we're in quite a few trades. I didn't realize I gave out so many trades. All I ever dream of is you. Must be thinking about me.
I know you love him now, but you've been loving me. He might even fuck you better, but I know it's not fuck me. You love him 'cause of me.
And yeah, I found all these coins on the
Been a little while now since I know you.
in here.
I'm not ashamed of the things that I showed you. Every night I wish I could hold you.
Wish I could hold.
But I'm not
I wish I can trade on MEXC because all these coins land up on MEXC first.
been a little while now since I know.
KCEX is pretty fast about it though, not gonna lie. So
I'm not ashamed of the things
not mad at KCEX. They need to hit me up and sponsor me for as much fees as I be giving them
I'm not the old me
on the dead homies.
told you. Do you ever feel
Feel
you ever fall?
wow.
How to talk?
Mm.
You ever feel just like passing out?
Well, I got all the alpha. And as soon as I can get this other damn thing up and running, I have more alpha. But you know, if you ever wanted to pick up futures trading, you just come over here to my handy dandy, I don't even know, terminal, and come in here and look at what's going on. My bots are always giving trades. You got to be mindful. You know, everything doesn't work all the time, but my bots are kind of profitable. Let's see what they've been doing. See, I told you he just opened up a soul long. I've been tweaking it, so I've been losing a few trades. But my gold bot, top tier, for sure. It closed out a short early today. Still working on. Oh snap! I'm in a euro. I'm in a short. Okay, cool. Woo, panicked. I forgot I shorted Euro USD. I just seen that. This reminded me. So the bot is short Euro USD as well. And I didn't even know it, huh? Look at great minds. SpaceX, what's it been doing? I was looking at getting in on the short on it because my personal buys on SpaceX are not in the green. SpaceX. That's funny. I drew these spider lines. When did this open up? Whenever this opened up, I drew these spider lines, and look how we started bouncing here, making this support. I wish I would have been paying attention. I would have got long down here. They would have decent long. Hell yeah, 33% move. I didn't know it did that. So we rejecting this supply zone in 1 hour. I may get my short. Take all this back. And then start moving. What the hell? Why is it still making? What the hell? Where am I trading you glitching, bro?
But she wanna know what that Glock do. Money make me move, yeah. Pop a perk and catch a fucking groove, yeah.
But yeah, if we come back down here to our new weekly GP just reset down here to, at that Q3 VWAP, and yeah, we can look for a bounce here. Everybody is looking for lower. I wouldn't look for lower unless we lost 107, what is this, 103. Backtest this spine line. And then, yeah. The bottom may be around here, 81. I doubt we go any lower than this. That doesn't make any, I don't see that happening. So I've seen some people calling for 75. I think that's really overextended, $75. That's not out of the question, I guess. I'm gonna have to keep my eye on SpaceX. Oh, I got alert set, so I just don't be paying attention. That's all that is. Set an alert here. I'm gonna try to get him short though. I'm glad you brought this up. It might bounce up here. Then dump. Or this is the dump right here. Is there any news with Tesla or SpaceX or Elon? Intel might be the move. Or Intel is setting up for a dump. I'm back up here to Q3 GP. Clear this high out. Come on back down. Or this month to date holds, flip it bullish. And we headed back to highs. I'm becoming a stock boy, so I'll get better at them. Yeah, KCEX fees are pretty much non-existent. So that's really the only reason I'll be on there trading futures, especially on like the new coins. Any coin, new coins they drop on KCEX are usually zero fees to trade them. Pump Fund says zero fees, but I don't believe that shit. I think it's capped. We're getting into NVIDIA this week. It's already pumping overnight.
All I ever do is face it. Living life is so amazing. Yeah, my weed you really taste
It kind of looks cooked.
If you ain't matching, you can leave. Got $1 in a dream. Spent it on some Swisher Sweets. If you wanna smoke with me, man, just put in on
Guess they
the
could
weed.
extend it.
Old money, new money. Yeah, nigga got that. Rolling baseball bat.
It's getting pretty
Nigga tryna win the
exhausted.
league. Old money, new money. Yeah, nigga got that. She know a nigga got that. You know I hit her what she said.
Yeah, they could push it up here.
What you make it. And I don't wanna change a thing. If she pull up with
I may try to get in along tonight.
I am not a fiend, but I roll it when I can. My folks said I need to quit, but they don't know that I'm the man. Hey, don't do business with your friends. I got the contract for your band. Hey, I'm a sinner, I'm a sin.
Something like this.
Hey, I'm a winner, I'm a win. All I ever do is face it. All I ever do is face it. Living life is so amazing.
Because they've already came down here,
Yeah, my weed you really
played around
taste.
down here. I mean, I guess they could swing it down here again.
If you ain't matching, you can leave.
Don't have to though.
Got $1 in a dream. Spent it on some Swisher Sweets. If you wanna smoke with me,
Yeah, you should probably look into like Axiom. That seems to be like the leader. To trade the trenches.
I'm doing everything good for my health. I'm trying to build generational wealth. Staying focused when you going legit. Can't disappoint, so I will never.
What's Bitcoin doing?
I got about 6. Working my muscle, I'm mentally fit. Chasing my goals, help me keeping my sanity. Trying to turn all my dreams into reality. Yeah, the Christian, she can tell by the fumes. No, I'm a rebel, I'm breaking the rules. Told her stay away from my negativity.
Shorts and profit.
You know it's all about longevity. She looking at me like I got the Ay, don't need a sketcher cause I know this life is a test. Woke up and I hit a legal finesse. Collect my money, then I got a check.
all I ever do is face
I've never used Day Screener to trade. When I was really like knee deep in the trenches, I was definitely using something like Axiom, but I don't think it's called. It wasn't called that at the time.
If you ain't matching, you can leave. Got $1 in a dream. Spent it on some Swisher Sweets. If you wanna smoke with me,
Ethereum looks bearish.
on the weed.
This looks like boom. I'm fine. It's definitely making a killing because the prices move so fast. Yeah, the slippage is crazy. The prices be moving so fast. Like I got out of something yesterday. It was up 300%, and I probably got out at like 240. Like it's, I guess they'd be like, "Hey, at least you made something, huh?"
My dope good, I keep me a pack. No Santa Claus, ain't dog a bunk in that sack. Been jugging since been jugging, I trap.
Fuck, let it do it. Fuck, let it do it. Nigga need a Buick. 428s. Might throw him on the Buick. Nigga get to it.
Smoke a lot of gas, blowing on gas, stay with a pad.
I got that. Oh, I added a prediction markets on here. That has not been doing good. I haven't checked it in a week, huh? Dang. It's negative. Something I need to work on. I haven't been working on this, so I had a really bad day. I'm guessing yesterday. It's just been having a bad day after bad day after bad day. Something's got to be wrong, because this shit is. Yeah, something got to be wrong. Well, need to go fix that. Pump fund is not for the people. And the only reason I re-downloaded the app, you know what? I don't know why I re-downloaded the app, but when I got on there, they offered me a free $50, or they would match my deposit to up to $50. So I was like, shit. I put $50 in there and got a free $50. So I was like, okay, cool. I'd be hell if I made multiple accounts and did that. Who's gonna stop me? I wonder whatever this is, if it's gonna bounce or was it just a pumping up? No seatbelt, don't need help, I'm strapped. My dope good, I keeps me a pack. No Santa Claus, A-dog, a bunk in that sack. Been jugging, I trap. I may try getting along if this daily GP holds. Smoking on that endo, still jamming that Fontendo. That purple Urkel drive a nigga crazy like Carl Winslow. I been gone. I used to want the Rari, now I want the Porsche. Harry Potter trees, cause my sack comes straight from Dumbledore. Hibernation kush, you got however it gets there. It's got the bullish momentum, so maybe it's just a dip, and then it goes. Yeah, it's addicting. Watch it, and then they got all the animations and everything to make you feel like you're doing something, you know. Price get to moving. The adrenaline get to pumping. I don't play with it. I see 1x, 2x, I'm up out of there. She the real deal, no pickle. It's kosher. Big bullish, she Puerto Rican. No road, we gon' Felipe. I wonder if silver about to get a little pullback here. Guess that's not a little pullback, huh?
Pull up to her spot like what you doing, girl, what's happening? I can show you a whole
Or maybe it's just a small pullback and then
Hey, watch your back. You'll think it's love when it's attraction. I told her to go
and then down.
and bring it all back. I ain't asking. Pass me the keys to the jack, no Uncle Phil. Take her out for grits and script. She's so bad, no pull out here. Got a plan B by the mirror and some OG by the dress.
Gold seems to be front running that.
So I gave her lesson. Smoking on that ghost. Watch me float, Danny Phantom. Hit it 3 times, going ghost. Call me Casper. Them feds watching. I don't trust her. Trap out that bitch spot. Then watch me lead like it's nothing. Teach her how to bring that trap back. Show her how to pull that gap back.
This might be a long, to be honest.
I'm always thinking about that cheese. Cheddar lettuce, green. Shit, I how you speaking Guapanese. Pin ass me a clinard. Fit up around and left mine at the hennas. But it won't the young.
Take the high again.
Text the numbers to my phone.
Then down. Or maybe it just keeps chugging along. I think I'm gonna get in a long go. We're gonna crank the leverage up to 75x. I don't give a mother. Oh yeah, it's definitely a drug, bro. High key, a drug.
I'm always thinking about that cheese. Cheddar lettuce, green. Shit, I how you speaking Guapanese. Pin ass me a clinard. Fit up around and left mine at the hennas. But it won't the young told her meet me at the spinach. Text the numbers to
I
my
wonder if they let this low, if they let this low hold right here. Let this be the low for the day. Or even if they come take it out again, bounce on Q3.
You know, this is the 3rd time I'm calling you.
But this looks like it could just go right now. I guess it can do this.
No nigga that ain't meant to be chased after. So you know what? Have a nice night and fuck you.
I thought that you would be the one.
I can fall in love. Set some alerts. I don't wanna fuck with you, no. I can't really fuck with you. I don't wanna fuck with you, no. I don't wanna fuck with you. I don't really fuck with you, no. I can't really fuck with you. Is this bullish? Can I hit it in the morning? Come and get you up in the morning. Hey, shawty, tell me if you sleep. I can see this going 2 ways right now. Got me out of pocket, got a road is candy greener. Got a nigga thinking, should I stay or should I leave her? Got a nigga thinking, who she choosing him or we lose the daily GP back test. No, this is not another love song. Coming back down here, Q3 GP. All I ever think about is taking your clothes. Only thing that's showing me that it may be cooked is this little slow resistance right here. But if Sol is about to break out of this month to day GP, then it could be about to fly. If not, this just looks bullish, and they're making it look bullish. They come up here. I don't wanna fuck with you, no. I don't wanna fuck
tryna really fall with you. No, no, I can't really fall with you. I can't really fall with you. No, no.
I can fuck with you like I'm used to.
Reminiscing about a bitch that
But I'm used to.
Quit to terminate a bitch that just used me. Girl,
Girl,
you
you
better
better
straighten up for you lose me. Expressing dark thoughts on the loop sleep. Since my little brother died, I just lose sleep. And I ain't worried about your nigga, he a goofy. I'm a real ass nigga, can't choose me. Not trying to be dramatic like a movie. Bad bitch, run me down like a boosie. You put a ring on her finger, but she choosing. If you was the only option, she'll choose me. She can never steal my heart, cause it's frozen. I'll forever play my part, that's your token. I'm in the hotel of hearts that be broken. I'm in the hotel of hearts that be broken.
May try to trade NASDAQ in the morning. I'll get in on the Qs. If I had to guess, this looks kind of bearish, does it not? I mean, yeah, they could squeeze this up. We'll be able to see new weekly GP for this tomorrow, but on the tokenized, it reset all the way down here. We might got a short on the Qs setting up. I don't know what this is, what caused this. Long and gold might have been the move, bro. Why am I getting alerts for Apex? I wonder will it hold this box. Probably come lower. This looks terrible. Shit. All right, I think I need a smoke break. I cranked that leverage up on that gold long on my mama. I'd be in my own trenches.
J
I pray to the Lord, you watch over me.
I've seen some shit you'll never see. Hit that don't feel like a better me. She made me feel like a better me.
Got goons on call, I pray I don't never need them. You thirsty hoes, you can't never feed them. I won't be happy till I made $1 million. Won't be happy till I made $1 million.
See, I used to wake up and roll me some blunts. Then probably go grab me some lunch. Then go get ready for work. Monday through Saturday, trap when I get out of church. You know that money come first. I can't feel what I'm feeling for her.
Man, I done did so much dirt. Need to wash off in detergent. Don't trust these niggas, I'm sorry. Don't skip the class with a purpose. I gotta read up on the trees. Fucking on my pocket mean. I done started sipping on that lean. That came in is the cream. Put me on the cream, yeah. Put me up and pop a bean. Rolling lean. Rolling lean.
Straight to the Lord, you watch over me. I've seen some shit you'll never see. Hit that don't feel like a better me. She made me feel like a better me. Got goons on call, I pray I don't never need them. These thirsty hoes, you can't never feed them. I won't be happy till I made $1 million.
Never let them get the best of me. I got the recipe to fuck the streets up indefinitely. Boy, don't you step to me. The way that I'm finessing through this struggle, I'm impressing me. Just pulled off with another nigga bitch right next to me. Fuck the bus, cause if I walk, I can catch these plays. I need to exercise. If I tell you something and you tell them what I told you, then you testify. Let's be honest, yeah, let's be real. I smoke designer cause they help me chill. I hit recline before I touch the wheel. I put my life in danger just to help with bills. Sitting on Cypress Hill, smoking no Jack and Jill. Even when I'm going through life complications, still screaming out life is so fucking amazing.
Damn it.
Rick, and that is on the. Jay said, let that bitch.
What's up, Mike? Have a good night.
Let that bitch go. I gotta get it any means. In the rain, sleet, shine, snow. When I eat, I grow. What I reap, I sow. They wanna be me, I know.
Moon rock, I roll.
Kicking clouds, blowing clouds. Might as well be rolling clouds.
I be stuck in the sky.
Young nigga from the west side, the
Best side, swear I rip this shit till I die. My circle's small, so we all get a piece of the pie. But if you fuck with me, I'll fuck with you. I'm gonna eat up or down my life. Never put your trust in this new.
I need my money in hand or it's triggers. Really ain't no rules to this game, nigga. They won't love but won't treat you the same, nigga. The same bitch that I fuck call me a lame, nigga. Introduce her to this D, now she insane, nigga. Rolling up plays, listen. This how no games, bitch. I know what I want on my wish list. A couple of bags and some bitches.
Jay say let that bitch breathe. Heartbeat beating slow. Last word when we leave. First time you should know. Now camera in sex. Tables they turn into lessons.
CBC looks like it's kind of bullish.
Preschool, low bottom, deep pool. Only when I'm in a deep pool. Birthday girl dressed in a see-through. Here got a headache to reach to. Mission completed, she finished defeated. Just like the minute who think we the same, I barely can see it.
Damn, button ain't working. can't stop. I won't stop. I've been high, still trapping out the spot.
Said I can't stop.
Can't stop.
I won't stop. I've been high, still trapping out the spot.
Trapping out the spot.
They calling me, you know I got bags of the tree on me. Whole trap is on me. I'm always medicated. I know I'm finna see some better days. When he come to me, I'm not afraid to catch a case. They say they in a drought. I don't know. I ain't seen one. Might need to get like me. Got fruit abundantly. TAC up in
Alright, y'all. I'm hopping off.
They gon' notice me. I can teach
If you're not in the
how to
Discord,
cook, just
come get in the Discord.
the way I eat. I can't stop. I can't stop. I won't stop.
I would love to see people using the site, the terminal. So if you're interested, hit me up.
Said I can't stop. I can't stop it no again. I won't stop.
I won't stop it all again.
Been high.
Yeah.
Still trapping out the spot.
Still trapping out the spot.